In this video, I'll show you how to install the three-phase energy meter. Follow each step carefully to ensure a safe, accurate, and reliable installation. Before starting the installation, prepare all the required tools and ensure the main power supply is turned off. Next, identify the three-phase MCB where the energy meter will be installed and verify the phase, neutral, and wiring connections. Now, connect the three-phase energy meter by following the wiring diagram shown in this video. Tools you'll need before you begin the installation. Make sure you have the following tools ready: screwdriver, tester, pliers. Having these tools ready will help you complete the installation safely and efficiently. Identify the three-phase MCB that you want to automate and verify its wiring connections before proceeding with the installation. Device wiring connections. Now, let's identify the wiring connections on the three-phase energy meter. The line in and line out terminals are used only when you want the energy meter to control the load. If you are using a contactor to control the load, take a loop from any phase and connect it to the device's line in terminal. Connect the line out terminal of the device to the A1 terminal of the three-phase contactor. If you only want to monitor energy consumption and do not require load control, you can leave the line in and line out terminals unconnected. The BYR and N terminals are used to connect the individual phase wires. Connect the R terminal to the red phase, the Y terminal to the yellow phase, the B terminal to the blue phase, and the N terminal to the neutral wire, as shown in the wiring diagram. The CT coil supports current monitoring up to 30 amps. It is designed to accommodate wires up to 6 square millimeters in size. Install the CT coil on the output side is recommended for more accurate energy monitoring. Make sure each CT coil is installed on its corresponding phase wire. R phase CT on the R phase wire, Y phase CT on the Y phase wire, and B phase CT on the B phase wire. Do not interchange the CT coils. Now, I will show you how to connect the three-phase energy meter with the MCB. Now, let's connect the three-phase energy meter. The device includes three CT coils labeled R, Y, and B. Install each CT coil on the corresponding R, Y, and B phase wires at the output side of the MCB as shown in the video. Next, connect the device's R, Y, B, and N terminals to the corresponding red, yellow, blue, and neutral wires from the same MCB. If you are using a three-phase contactor, take a loop from any one of the phase lines and connect it to the device's line in terminal. Then connect the device's line out terminal to the A1 terminal of the contactor. Now, I'll connect the CT coils to the output side of the MCB. Make sure each CT coil is installed on its corresponding RY and B phase wire, as shown in the video. Now, I'll connect the device's R, Y, B, and N terminals by taking loop wires from the corresponding output terminals of the MCB. Make sure each terminal is connected to its matching phase and neutral wire, as shown in the video. Installation is finished. Simply turn on the power to begin configuring the device. If you're using a contactor, connect the line in and line out terminals as shown to enable load control. If you only want to monitor energy consumption and do not require load control, you can leave the line in and line out terminals unconnected. That's it. The installation is now complete. Turn on the power supply and proceed with the device configuration. For watching.